What's going on, YouTube? It's Wes over here at Blue Coast. So today we have a Harley Davidson outer primary cover. I'm guessing this is for like an FXR or something. I'm not 100% sure. It's been a while since I've been in the Harley game, but I've had a buddy contact me about opening up this hole over here, removing that bushing, open up that hole a little bit larger, and installing another bushing. That way it'll fit whatever needs to go in there, because obviously the shaft on this year Harley cover, it doesn't fit. So I really don't know too much. I can't really give you all exact names and stuff for all this stuff, but I'll do my best. So yeah, like I said, we're just gonna open this hole up. I want to say that just measuring 640. I think he wants to get up to like 970. I think the diameter of whatever needs to go in there now is 870, so we'll give it a 50 thousandths per side wall thickness, which is pretty much what this is right now. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get the machine all cleaned up and remove this vise, get that part fixtured in here, and I'm probably just gonna bolt it straight to the table and just jack the other side up. We'll go ahead and probe a couple edges just to make sure everything's pretty true and flat. What's up? Here we are. Let's take this vise out of here. Spray it off a little bit. It's dirty. My back up. Alright, now that my back's broken, let's go ahead and get this cover in the machine. I'm just going to do all these shavings. Wipe down. Turn that off because I'm sure that noise is annoying. So this is kind of what I'm thinking, guys. Move this over a little bit. Probably just stick it right there. Somewhere there. Let's see if this jack will fit underneath. Might not fit. Yeah, it might fit inside here. Might be able to get that to work. Really, it doesn't matter. I think this one should hold it flat enough. So let's do this real quick. Fall. I'll probably go ahead and tube two of these inside of here. That way I have to put two different clamps on it. Don't worry, I'll show y'all what I'm doing here in a second. I think this will work just fine. Obviously not going to torque this thing down too much. That'll work right there. And then this one. That'll probably work. I might just put 3. I don't know. Let's see. Go ahead and get this one. And on here. Probably don't need 3. I just don't want it to spin on me. Yeah. Got the kids inside playing around, yelling. You know, doing kid stuff. Alright. Alright. Like I said, I'm not gonna put too much force on this. That'll probably be good. I don't think that's going anywhere. So, now go ahead and raise this jack up a little bit, just to keep it from chattering. That feels pretty good. Alright guys, so this is what I got so far. I think this should be rigid enough. It ain't moving. So now what I'm going to do is just probe this hole. First, what I'm going to do is get an indicator and go ahead and set my machine origin at 0. Come down here, here, and then maybe here and here, just to get, you know, a 4-point reading of how far everything's running out. As long as if it's within a couple thousandths, I think we'll be all right. But let's see. Let's just try this again here. Alright. I'm going to try it on this face and see if we get a different reading. Again. What's up, Debbie? You're okay, buddy. I'll be right there. Yeah. There, hey. Yo, that's enough. Alright guys, so that's a lot better. So we should be good. You know, we're 2/10 off from the first point to second point. You know, we're about 1 and 3/10 out overall. So I think we're good. So now what we could do is write a program and get to cutting. Probe this baby. I don't remember exactly what it measured, so I'm just gonna put like 0.7 or something. We'll just set 56. So we'll set 54. Set a bore. Say 0.7. Let it run. Run it again just for shits and gigs, and alright, come up a little bit, we'll go ahead and set our Z, so we'll go back to single surface. Good. Should be good. So now we can go ahead and start writing a little program. I don't know if I have any generic boards programs in here. So I do have a helix, pretty much 2/16 your work offset, 17 cutter diameter, 2/18 bore diameter, Z value at the final depth, your R value, your retract value, your Q is your depth per revolution, your RPM, tool number, offset number, and feed rate. So that seems pretty good, pretty easy. I don't know if it's gonna read it. I don't know if I gotta put the 1.0 in front of it. So to go to your macros, 10201, it starts at 216. So 216 would be your works offset. So we'll put 54. We'll do 217 cutter diameter is 0.250. Bore diameter, we're gonna go, I don't know yet. Let's just go 700. Alright guys, let's check this baby out. Alright, it's about done. Just give it a little blow. Now we can call the customer and have them come pick this baby up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's the video for today. I really do appreciate y'all being here. In order to help me grow, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below what y'all would like to see next. And until the next one, peace out.